You will not believe how easy it is to achieve this beautiful Ankara airdrop style. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to show you how you can achieve a beautiful Ankara airdrop style with your 1 yard Ankara fabric. So I folded that 1 yard Ankara fabric in a square shape into a triangle shape, and I make a knot of the shorter triangle in the middle like that, and then I pull through the other end of the triangle, just kind of like crisscross in that manner, and then I cross again, then I pull through the other one and squeeze it all together to form a very big rose. And this is how easy I achieve this beautiful Ankara airdrop style, and I just tie it around my ponytail hairstyle, guys. This Ankara airdrop style is suitable for people that have ponytails or just want to show off their hair. I am making a mess here by holding my hair with the hair tie, but it's okay. Yeah, for this tutorial purpose, I just leave it the way it is. The most important thing is that we are achieving this beautiful front side Ankara style. See how beautiful it is, guys. Very beautiful and super easy to achieve. So the rose is kind of like big covering my face, so I'm going to be using my pin to hold it down with the bed in that manner, in such a way that it frames my face, and you can see how elegant this Ankara style airdrop is looking already. And this is what the back looks like, guys. This Ankara airdrop is giving. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And for more elegancy, I am adding a small brooch in the middle, just to make this airdrop style more unique, more beautiful. I kind of like decide to use a bigger brooch instead of that small one to make it more pronounced, and see how it looks, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Okay guys, if you want to learn more about simple DIY airdrop and you haven't given me a follow, what are you waiting for? I teach airdrop style tutorial like this on a daily basis. Give me a follow, comment your thoughts, share to 1, share to 2, share to 5. Let your friends, your relative learn how to tie this beautiful airdrop. I will see you in my next video.